Hello, my name is Maria Shire. I will be talking to you about mobile learning. What is mobile learning? Mobile learning is an educational system. Mobile learning supports, with the help of mobile devices, a continuous access to the learning process. This can be on appliances like your phones, laptops, or tablets. Preparing your school district for a one-to-one initiative. Our primary mission for our school is one-to-one initiative is to transform teaching, learning, and assessment at our school. We believe that in technology-rich classroom, when facilitated by properly prepared teachers, are the vehicles to achieve this goal. Our goals are to allowing equal access to technology for all our students' population, to increase academic rigor, better preparing students for post-secondary success, to increase students' engagement in our classroom through the meaningful integration of technology in the daily curriculum, to differentiate instruction in the classroom using technology to facilitate the classroom structure and, when applicable, instruction. Some of the advantages for one-to-one initiative are teachers will be able to help innovate the classroom and can help make students a much more efficient class. Most schools that adopt the one-to-one initiative have a cost benefit due to savings on paper, textbooks, and other equipment that will be replaced with the technology. There will be a greater students' collaboration. The Center for Applied Research and Education Technology, CARET, provides a variety of research that suggests that students improve interpersonal abilities and teamwork skills through collaboration using laptops and handhelds. Some challenges the one-to-one initiative faces are having all these technologies into their fingertips can be distracting. Students and or teachers can damage or break the devices they are using. This could result in either having to send them into repairs. Lack of students and teachers training also is a concern. Laptops and handhelds distract from learning rather than enhance it. Rather than taking lectures notes, students are watching videos, surfing the net, or instant messaging friends and strangers. With the growth in using digital media and technology by K-12 students and wider availability of technologies in households, school districts are experiencing pressure from stakeholders to incorporate technology into classroom teaching and assessment. I conclude that education can have big benefits from using emergency mobile technologies to deliver learning match to the increasing neo-millennial learning style of our students. Mobile learning is a collection of pieces to be fitted to a learning need, not a single solution, but good teaching, communication, collaboration, and stimulating activities are essential. According to Christina, in our discussion, she said that if we as teachers are able to find technology education that help us with personalizing learning for our students, that does not take a lot of time and money, I think that's our best bet for implementation. According to Vivian, assessed technologies allow the learning to be shifted from teachers to students. Flipped classroom are an example of assessed technology. Joshua said that education technology is not one size fits all. There has to be a lot of thought that is put into any use of technology. Angelina said, I am a digital immigrant, so I learn best if I am given time to play with new technology. William said, I have learned a lot of different tips, tricks, and methods to using technology. In my last class, we concentrated on assessing technologies and assessing students with different exceptionalities, so I am very familiar with different ones, but not expert by any means yet. Most importantly, to best serve students and teachers, we educators at all levels need to be clear on their goal, both in teaching and in using technology to teach and learn. Only then can the right decision be made on whether one-to-one classroom computing belongs into our schools. Here is my summary, and here is my resources. Thank you for listening to me.